Today is our day fall career fair. We've welcomed over 85 companies onto our campus. We have over 100 employers from those companies.
So I used to work very closely with the automotive division and the fleet maintenance divisions at different employers, and having Lincoln Tech graduates was a highly sought after qualification because in our manager's experience, the Lincoln Tech grads were very well trained. They took instructions well, and a lot of times they ended up being very strong employees.
I am at Lincoln Tech today to find some great new talent, specifically in our engineering department. We have found it very challenging to find quality talent in the market, and Lincoln Tech has actually provided us with some of our best new engineers.
We're here to recruit some of the best technicians that Lincoln Tech has to offer. We have an unbelievable company and mentorship program to attract these young technicians graduating from Lincoln Tech, and we're excited about the 200 folks that are getting ready to graduate, and we're trying to recruit them to come on board with our company.
I'm a former alumni. I graduated from here in the mid-90s, so I know this is a really good program, and we also have already received great students from here that we've turned into employees at our facility. We have been here before. We're trying to continue to grow our partnership with Lincoln Tech. We've done a lunch and learn here. We've been at career fairs and looking to continue to expand on that.
Primarily electrical. We're on the fire protection side, so that's what we would look for. Yeah, those candidates, as well as them going through the JCI Academy, definitely helps. So, yeah.
The experience here is great. They give you a lot of exposure. You definitely get your hands on a lot. Great teachers. They just really make you feel like it's a team here. Lincoln Tech brought me to Judge Controls, and from there I've just been in the field, hands-on learning.
Well, Lincoln Tech, as you know, skilled trades are very much in need, and in all of our dealerships we have service departments, and we're looking to train and develop technicians. We find that Lincoln Tech really prepares the students not only for working on vehicles, but also the soft skills as well. They're very professional. They come to work ready to work and really eager to learn.
I met with a lot of great students. Again, we have our own classroom at this location, at this school here, so we're kind of popular here. Every single time we're here, we have a lot of students come up to our table. A lot of them know each other. A lot of my guys here come and say hi to me every single day I'm here. So word of mouth spreads quick about Penske truck leasing here. Yes. I graduated in 2005. Went to Penske right afterwards and haven't looked back since. So, the place is special to me. It was a great time. I came in very bare bone, didn't know much about automotive at all. And I remember when Penske called, I was like, I'm supposed to work on cars, and they said it's the same thing, just bigger. So Lincoln Tech prepared me greatly to become a technician.